Before, after. So get your red eye image. I'm gonna get mine from Google. I'm downloading it right now. I'm opening it up inside of Abyss Paint-X, and first thing I want to do is get the airbrush tool. You don't need to know why, just do it. Anyways, here's our subject, and the first thing we want to do is go and add a layer, but change the layer so that it's a saturation overlay. Now we could jump right into this by coloring the red part of the eye with the color black. So keep in mind, we're using the saturation layer, we're using the color black and the airbrush tool. All these combined will let us remove the redness from your subject's eyes. And actually, we're not done here yet. You see how around the eyelid it's kind of red? Well, you could actually use this method to lighten up those areas. Now we're finally done. Psych! We gotta fix this part right there, and a little bit of this, a little bit of that, and now we're basically done.